Tuscany, Italy's picturesque region nestled in the heart of the country, is a captivating destination that seamlessly blends breathtaking natural beauty, rich cultural heritage, and delectable cuisine. Stretching from the rugged Apennine Mountains to the pristine Tyrrhenian Sea, Tuscany's diverse landscape offers a plethora of activities and attractions for travelers seeking an unforgettable experience. One of the most iconic images associated with Tuscany is its rolling hills adorned with vineyards and cypress trees, creating a postcard-worthy panorama that epitomizes the region's wine-producing prowess. Tuscany is renowned for its wine, and a visit to the countless wineries and vineyards scattered throughout the Chianti, Brunello, and Montepulciano regions is a must. Here, you can sample world-class wines such as Chianti Classico, indulge in wine tastings, and savor delicious Tuscan cuisine while overlooking the vine-covered landscape. Tuscany is also steeped in history, boasting a wealth of cultural treasures. Florence, the capital of the region, is a veritable open-air museum with its iconic landmarks like the Uffizi Gallery, the Florence Cathedral, Duomo, and the Ponte Vecchio. Art enthusiasts will revel in the works of Renaissance masters like Leonardo da Vinci and Michelangelo. Meanwhile, Siena, with its medieval charm and famous Palio horse race, offers a glimpse into Tuscany's rich past. Exploring the Tuscan countryside is an adventure in itself. The Val d'Orcia, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, enchants visitors with its rolling hills, charming villages like Pienza and Montalcino, and thermal springs in Bagno Vignoni. The Cinque Terre, a stunning coastal area within Tuscany, boasts colorful villages perched on cliffs overlooking the azure Ligurian Sea. For those seeking relaxation, Tuscany provides ample opportunities to unwind. The region is home to several world-class spas and wellness retreats, such as the renowned Terme di Sattunia, where you can soak in soothing hot springs and indulge in rejuvenating spa treatments. Tuscany's culinary scene is a journey in itself. Tuscan cuisine is characterized by its use of simple, fresh ingredients and bold flavors. You can't leave without trying classics like ribollita, a hearty soup, papa al pomodoro, tomato and bread soup, and the succulent bistecca alla fiorentina, Florentine steak. Explore local markets, such as Florence's Mercato Centrale, to sample an array of cheeses, olive oils, and artisanal products. Outdoor enthusiasts will relish the many recreational activities available in Tuscany. Hike or bike through the region's verdant landscapes, go horseback riding in the countryside, or take to the skies in a hot air balloon for a bird's-eye view of the breathtaking scenery. Tuscany offers a myriad of experiences for travelers. Whether you're savoring wine in a sun-drenched vineyard, immersing yourself in Renaissance art and history, or simply basking in the natural beauty of its landscapes, Tuscany is a destination that promises a deeply enriching and memorable visit. It's a place where time seems to slow down, allowing you to savor every moment of this enchanting Italian paradise.